I'm gonna show you how to install Bootstrap in Visual Code. So to get started, you have to open your Visual Code first, and then from there you have to go to your extensions right here and then search for Bootstrap or Bootstrap 5. So I'm gonna use Bootstrap 5, which is this one because it has a lot of downloads. So from there you just have to click on install, and then once installed, to check that if it's working, you have to go to your own project or your new file and then type bs5 dash dollars. So it should pop up like that so that you can check that the Bootstrap is installed in your account, in your application. So there you go, just check it, and then you have to edit if you want to do anything with Bootstrap, and then from there you're done. So that's how you install Bootstrap 5 or Bootstrap in Visual Code.